Guys, so to start off with this skincare routine, I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Hydroboost Water Gel Cleanser. I pump a little into my hands and then I slowly start to emulsify that with some warm water. Then I gently start to massage my face. Being a licensed esthetician, one of the main tips I can tell you is to always move in an upward motion gently on your face. You never want to drag your skin down because that can create wrinkles and lines in the future. Then after I rinse that off and pat dry with a towel, I go in with my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes and I wipe the excess makeup off my face. And then I go in for my second cleanse using that same cleanser, and this is just to ensure that I really got all the makeup out, there's nothing left to go into my pores, and it just leaves me feeling extremely clean. After I get all that cleanser off my face and I pat dry, I would typically here just go straight in with my moisturizer, but a couple days a week I do like to do some exfoliation. My favorite way to exfoliate is with this handy dandy eyebrow razor. Typically I use a dermaplaning tool, but on the sake of being affordable and easy for everyone to get, I just use this little eyebrow razor and I slowly start to go in upward motions to get rid of any dead skin cells, peach fuzz, anything that could be on the face. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're holding your skin taut. This is just to ensure that you don't accidentally cut your skin. I typically exfoliate 2 to 3 days a week. You don't want to do it more than that just because over exfoliation can cause a lot of issues, just like over cleansing. When I wash my face, I usually wash it at night, and then in the morning I'll just rinse with warm water and reapply my moisturizer and go on with my day. I know some people like to do their skincare routine in the morning. It's really just your preference, whatever you feel better with. Just don't overdo it and protect your skin. Once I'm done exfoliating my face, I rinse with cool water this time and again pat dry with my towel, and now I apply my moisturizer. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydroboost Water Gel Moisturizer. This one is for extra dry skin, and let me tell you, this moisturizer makes my face feel so hydrated. Even in the morning when I wake up, I still feel dewy and fresh. And this is the moisturizer I use daytime as well, just typically with an SPF. Next, I go in with my eye cream. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I put that on the back of my ring finger and I start at my inner corners and go towards my temples. Doing this creates strong blood flow, so for all my fellow people who suffer from dark circles, this is a great way to kind of diminish that naturally by creating this motion every day. After that, I do a nice little lip scrub. I don't have an affordable one here to show, but you can make your own with just some coconut oil and brown sugar. It's extremely easy to do. So I just go in and scrub, scrub, scrub. Once my lip scrub is removed, I go in with my tried and true, my Neosporin. I love this stuff. I use it on my lips. I use it on cuts, burns, scars, rashes, anything. This stuff is amazing. If my lips feel dry or cracked or they're burning, I put this on at night and wake up in the morning and they're completely back to normal. I swear, if you don't use this as a lip moisturizer, you're really missing out. Once I'm done with that, my skincare routine is complete, and now it's time to go to bed. Good night, everyone. I'll see you next time.